Today we visit a cable factory to see how they manufacture data cables for Apple and Android devices. A data cable consists of two terminals for connection and a cable for electrical transfer. We have already had the terminals from the upstream supply chain, and the data cables have been cut into a uniform length. Put a sleeve on the cable first for future steps. Fix a metal ring around the root of the cable. This is for enhancing its tensile property and avoiding braid branching. Strip the wire. Put the cable in a holder by hand. Connectors are pushed to meet the cable by an automatic feeding machine. Under the stamping of the machine, the connector is completely bonded. Cut off excess burrs, then apply flux. Solder every contact. Test it to ensure there is no cold joint or other dysfunction. Wrap both joints with a plastic shied by an injection molding machine. It can improve the bending resistance of the cable. Put a boot on the output connector. Back to the molding machine. Now the data cable gets its prototype. We test them thoroughly. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and give me a like. Fixabout will keep sharing various knowledge about phone repair parts and their peripheral. I'll show you how to identify a real data cable in my next video. Thank you. See you next time.